Hey everybody, this is Mary and welcome back to the kitchen. I've been processing potatoes today, and right now we are going to make Southern style hash browns. Typically those are frozen, but today we are going to can them. That way it's going to save us a ton of time in the morning. They're already done. We just have to throw them in the frying pan in the oven. Or guys, I love to use my air fryer whenever I have potatoes. Have you ever made potatoes in the air fryer? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I've been dicing up potatoes. I've taken the potatoes that we cut into French fry pieces yesterday, and I'm going to put on here and I'm going to cut them. Now you can put several on here at a time and just mash them because we want them to be a uniform size. I have several that are cut into very small cubes. Okay. I'm going to put about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is pink Himalayan sea salt. It's not iodized salt. You can also use canning salt. Normally people use about a 1/2 teaspoon per pint jar. But like I say, we don't like a lot of salt, so I usually try to cut it back some. And I'm putting a small pat of butter. No, I haven't lost my mind. I put this way down in the jar so I would not get it anywhere near the rim. Okay, so I've got my canning funnel right there. My hands are clean, guys. I've washed them at least 1,000 times or more today. I'm just going to get my potatoes. I'm going to fill my jar up. I'm going to pack them down in there. And just keep pressing until they're down below the rim. Okay. And where did that go? Here it is. Okay. I have a wet paper towel. I'm going to wipe my rim off. Okay. You're going to notice something a little unusual right here. Typically, whenever people do potatoes, or I should say traditionally over typically, they add water. Okay, I'm doing these a dry pack, dry can, Rebel canning, potato. The flavor to my family is much better. It tastes like an oven roasted potato versus a boiled potato. This is not USDA, FDA, ABC, XYZ approved. But you've got to use your own discernment, do your own research, and make your own choices as to how you're going to can. I think this is perfectly safe. I've done it for a long time, and so have millions of other people. But you have to do your research and be safe with what you want to do in your kitchen. That's just like with the butter. A lot of people don't can dairy. I've even canned milk, and it's fantastic. You can can lots of things that are not traditional. Okay, now back to what I was saying about this. I got on a tangent there. I'm not putting water, so I do not have to leave the inch headspace. Okay, there's nothing in here to siphon. The only liquid that's in here is what I wash the potatoes in and the natural juices that are going to come out. Okay, they're not going to burn. They're going to have a roasted flavor. They're going to be really good. So I've got the butter in there. I've got the salt in here. I'm going to put my lid on and I'm going to finish filling the rest of my jars. Okay, I have my potatoes ready to go into the canner. I'm going to process these for 35 minutes because they're pints. If you can quarts, then you need to do it at 40 minutes. This is the same whether or not you have liquid in the jars. So it doesn't matter the process time. For my altitude, I use a 10-pound weight on my canner. I will put the links telling what different weights you use for different altitudes. If you don't know your altitude, guys, just Google it. That's what I did to find mine. Yeah, I didn't know. But I'm going to put these in the canner, and I'll show you what they'll look like when they come out in a few minutes. Okay. The canner has finished processing. The pressure has dropped. So, let's see what we've got here. Absolutely beautiful Southern style hash browns. Okay, folks, you will notice the liquid in there. Okay, that liquid is from the butter that was in there, the natural liquid that comes out of the potatoes, plus what was left on there after I washed the potatoes. So there's plenty enough liquid in there to get everything nice and hot, to cook all the way through, and to be safe. But anyway, there you go. Southern style hash browns. Can't wait to eat those. I really appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next video.